today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PNG to a vector in Photoshop. This is a handy skill that can elevate your design projects by allowing your images to scale without losing quality. Let's get started on this quick and easy process. First, we're going to create a new canvas in Photoshop. Open up the software and go to the File menu at the top left corner of your screen. Click on New to create a new project. When setting up your canvas, it's crucial to ensure that the resolution is set to 300 dpi. This resolution is essential, especially if your end goal is to print the design, as it maintains high quality and ensures crisp and clear prints. Once you've got that sorted, go ahead and click Create. Now with your canvas ready, it's time to bring in your PNG image. You can easily do this by clicking on the File menu again and selecting Open. Navigate to where your PNG file is stored and open it. You should now see your image sitting on that canvas we just set up. Make sure the image fits well on your canvas. You can adjust this by using the Transform tool, which you can activate by pressing Command+T or Control+T if you're on Windows. Use this feature to resize or reposition your image as necessary to fit your needs. The final step in converting your PNG to a vector is to export your work as an SVG file. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, which is ideal for web use and will ensure that your image can be scaled to any size without losing quality. To do this, navigate to the File menu once more, scroll down to Export, and then select Export As. A new window will pop up with various options. Here, from the Format drop-down menu, choose SVG. This format, unlike others, allows for easy scaling and is perfect for vector graphics. Before you hit export, check the box for Use Artboards. If you have created a design that includes multiple artboards and you want each saved as individual SVG files. Otherwise, you're all set to click Export and Adobe will save your vector file. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful method for converting a PNG to a vector in Photoshop. By following these steps, you now have a high-quality, scalable image that can be used across a wide range of media. Practice these steps a few times, and soon enough, you'll be converting images in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.